In this video, I'll share a formula for a refreshing shampoo for oily hair. You have the written formula with all the information and alternatives for some ingredients. The link is in the description. I start by mixing the gum with glycerin to create a slurry. Then I added the peppermint hydrosol and used an immersion blender to combine everything. The immersion blender helps to disperse the gum in the mixture. I added 2 more humectants, propanediol and sodium lactate. Although this formula is designed for oily hair, I want to create a balanced shampoo that will effectively clean the hair and still be gentle on the scalp. In this formula, I only used 1 beaker. Next, I added the surfactants. I used 2 mild surfactants, sodium lauryl sarcosinate, which you can replace with cocoa glucoside, and cocoa betaine. I stirred gently to combine the surfactants. These 2 surfactants created a very rich lather. Now I added the extracts. I chose orange and rosemary extracts and also willow bark extract. These extracts are very beneficial for oily hair and scalp. In the written post, I give you some alternatives for these extracts and more information about all the ingredients I used for this formula. It's time to add the preservative and fragrance. I used a peppermint fragrance to enhance this shampoo's refreshing feeling. After combining all the ingredients, I added a few drops of minty liquid color. I started with 2 drops and later added 2 more drops to achieve the final color. To test the pH, I added 1 gram of shampoo and 9 grams of water, mixed them, and then checked the pH. I aimed for a pH between 5 and 6, and after the first check, it was too high, so I added a few drops of lactic acid solution to lower the pH. You need to repeat this process until you reach the desired pH level. That's it. The refreshing shampoo is ready. It's best to leave it in the beaker for a couple of hours to let the foam settle and the gum fully disperse. Once you pour the shampoo into a bottle, it is ready to be used. You have the formula with a calculator to adjust the amount you want to make on the website.